This is a full song, vocals, lyrics, everything, made by AI in about 30 seconds for free. I'm going to show you the best free AI music generators across every genre, full songs, beats, lo-fi, cinematic, and the part nobody explains, what you're actually allowed to use them for. Because most creators don't realize the free versions come with rules, and using them wrong can get your video copyright claimed. Stick around, I'll show you which one is genuinely free to use and how to make this stuff sound professional. I tested a bunch of these and kept the ones that are actually free and actually good. Each is better at a different thing. Full vocal songs, instrumentals, lo-fi, cinematic, so you'll know exactly which tool for which job. And at the end, the licensing stuff, because it genuinely matters. Let's start with the one that shocked me, full songs with vocals. It's called Suno. It's also the most popular one. You type a vibe and lyrics, or let it write them, pick a genre, and it makes a complete track with vocals. Watch, an upbeat pop track. Now the same tool, totally different genre, a rap beat with a flow.
Big wave when I walk, pocket full, front row seat, whole room, feel my heat, say less, I move fast, make it skip, make it last, no doubt, I'm locked in, tell them watch how I win, hands up, I don't slip, every move, got grip, one shot, I don't.
It can also make metal songs which sound absolutely unreal for something AI made. To be honest, it made me want to upload it and add it to my playlist. Take a listen. The range is wild. The free plan gives you 50 credits a day, about 10 full songs, every day. One thing to flag now, and we'll come back to it. Those free songs are personal use only. Keep that in mind before you put one in a monetized video. Micro summary. Suno equals full vocal songs, any genre, 10 a day free. But for vocals specifically, it's got a serious rival. If free AI music is your thing, subscribe. I post free AI tools like this every week. Udio, same idea, full songs. But a lot of people think the vocals sound more natural. I ran a soulful R&B prompt and yeah, the vocals are smooth, listen yourself.
Stories of passion in the silence of hope. You won't break my vibe, won't break my vibe. Still my life, still my life. Rising up, everything feels right.
Or this deathcore metal driven by the screams. The trick with both, be specific. Soulful R&B, slow tempo, smooth female vocals, beats just R&B. Deathcore equals screams and guitar sounds. Heads up though, Udio's free tier is tighter, only about 10 credits a day, so a couple songs daily. Great for testing, just smaller than Suno. And the other thing, you can't download the songs, only upload them from the site and publish them there. Now what if you don't want vocals at all? For background music, lo-fi, cinematic, sound design, full song tools are overkill. Stable Audio is built for instrumentals and ambient stuff. I'll make a lo-fi beat for a study video, then a cinematic swell for an intro. Let me show you both. Fair warning, Stable Audio's free tier is limited and commercial rights sit behind the paid plan, so it's more of a try it than a rely on it. But free is limited, which brings me to the one that's actually genuinely free. This is the one, and there's a plot twist. You might have heard of Refusion, then it became Producer AI, and then Google bought it. It's now called Google Flow Music. Same company behind the AI video tool, now doing music, running their own Lyria model. Listen to this, full track, made on Google's own tool. And if you're already using Google Flow for video, this plugs right into that same world. But here's the part nobody tells you, and it's the most important thing in this whole video, the licensing. On the free tiers, Suno and Udio are personal use only. That means you cannot legally monetize those songs on YouTube, Spotify, or in ads. And here's the trap. Subscribing later does not unlock songs you already made for free. It only counts if you're paid at the time you create it. So, simple rule. Messing around or non-monetized stuff? Free is totally fine. Monetize videos or selling music? You need the paid plan when you generate it. And because Flow Music is brand new under Google, check its current terms before you publish, this stuff changes every few months. So Google Flow Music is the new player to watch, but whatever tool you use, check the license before you monetize. And once you've actually got music for your videos, here's the problem you'll hit next. Here's that problem. You make a great video with your AI music. Now you've got to post it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, different sizes, every day. Hours of work. So repurpose.io fits perfectly. It automates your uploads. Publish once and it auto-reformats and pushes your video to every platform on autopilot. So your stuff actually gets seen. Links in the description, free to start. All right, quick recap on which tool to use. So Suno and Udio for full vocal songs, Stable Audio for instrumentals, and Producer.ai if you want the most free-friendly option. Just remember, free tiers are personal use, paid at creation for commercial. Comment what genre I should make next. Drill, orchestral, country? Pick one and I'll generate it. Want to actually use this music in AI videos? Full guides right here. Because free music plus free AI video means you can make an entire music video for nothing. And that's exactly what's next. See you there.